Welcome back, my friends, to another Monday daily work from home job lead. I'm real excited about the company that I am bringing you in this video, so we are not going to waste any time. As always, the links to all of this are in the YouTube description box below. Today's job lead is from the company Cisco Systems. Now, Cisco Systems is a national-wide company. They have multiple locations. They have one included in Raleigh, North Carolina. I actually do know some people that actually work for Cisco Systems. They are hiring a customer service / data entry representative. This is to work remote from home, and this is all data entry according to the job description. If you stay to the end of the video, I did do a little bit of research on salary because unfortunately this job posting did not list salary, and this looks to be a very, very high paying data entry type job. So it says the customer service data entry representative will provide a wide range of administrative and staff support services for their claims coordination team. So they are really just hiring basically administrative staff for their claims team. So your essential duties, it says, will be primarily doing data entry of claims information into their claims management system. You'll follow up on missing information in order to process the claim. You'll review the invoices for accuracy, and you'll compile reports from the claim information. Now, this is remote for my United States folks only, and it says they provide the equipment as long as you have your own high-speed internet connection, and it does say you have to be authorized to work in the United States. Now, they also do not require very much experience at all. They only require a high school diploma, no college degree, and only 6 months of work experience. And that does not specifically say data entry. It just says work experience. So it seems like it can be any kind of work experience. You need to have great attention to detail and basic computer and typing skills. Now, because this is a full-time job, they are, it says, offering competitive salaries and benefits, and they include standard benefit packages including medical, dental, vision, and paid time off and 401k. Now, as far as salary goes, on their GlassDoor page, I will also have this link down below if you want to go read any of the reviews for Cisco Systems from the employees, but they do have a 4.1 out of 5-star rating on Simply Hired, and they have a very good rating on Glassdoor as well. And while I could not find a specific job title that said customer service / data entry, I did find both one for standard customer service and one for data entry, and these are based on employees that have worked here and submitted their salary information. The data entry looks like it pays $64,000 a year. And upon looking up customer service, we have 4 different people who have said that they have worked here and submitted their salary, and it is $91,000 a year. And you can look down. One of the ratings that they are showing is that a former employee has rated them best job and great benefits. This was done October 5th of 2022. Their overall rating is 4.3 out of 5 stars on Glassdoor as well. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.